in the modified 3. That brings up our showdown final. The fastest cars at the racetrack today. Nicholas Feliciano, right lane. Jariel Velez in the left lane. Awards and payouts at the Summit Tent over here by the tower. So if you have prizes coming today, you pick them up at the Summit Tent beneath the tower, by the tower over here, after this pass. Left lane win. It is a left lane